Good morning, everybody. This is One Yacht Carpenter at it again. This is going to be our project for the day, or for the next couple weeks, 4 or 5 weeks maybe. We're going to strip and refinish this tow rail all the way around. Today we're on a 49 foot. Oh my goodness, you have to forgive me. It's a 49 footer, really good shape. The owner's doing a lot of work to it. We're going to refinish this whole inside, and he's having topside paint done, so they're going to paint this deck. This forward deck. We're going to redo these derailled boxes, both sides. So yeah, we're going to get things taped off and get things rolling today. I think it's like 19 outside right now, but it's a little warmer inside here, so that's going to help us out quite a bit. Okay, well, I'll bring you back when I have a little bit more done. Show you the inside real quick. In here we're going to scuff everything. We're going to do a lot of changes actually. I'm going to put a pop-up TV here and do something different with the console. So we're going to change out all these buttons and put rockers in. A lot of different stuff. But yeah, this is it. Pretty nice. I'm going to get in a new table. Somebody's custom making that for him. But anyway, this is my view for today. It's not the greatest, but in this weather, it's awesome. Alright, I'll check back in with you. See ya. Okay, everybody, welcome back. I hope you can hear me good because I have a mask on. But this is what it looks like when the stripper starts to work. If you can see that or not. But yeah, it works good. You have to put it on there as thick as you can get it. If you put it on thin, it's going to dry out and won't do anything. So we've done all the way up to there. And we did that brow one quick coat. But I'm gonna go all the way back there. So yeah, put it on thick and it works. If it's not on thick, it will not work. Especially when it's cold. This is what I'm using. Inner strip, 299E. It's a marine stripper. So yeah, that's where we're at. We got a long way to go. Alright, I'll bring you back. Good morning, guys. We've got everything stripped down on the tow rail. My battery is about to die. So I just want to give you a quick look. It goes all the way down. Both sides. We're going to start sanding this one now. All the way down. Okay. Check with you later. Whew. It's freezing cold in here right now. See you later. Okay, everybody, I'm back. Well, we have the primer sealer first coat put on. It looks really good. Comes out really nice. Just rolled it on the 1/4 inch nap roller. But I wanted to show you guys before I get too much further in. Bear with me for a second. I'm old and slow. When I do the stripper, I put the stripper on. Let me turn this radio down.
For everybody over the Law Home Improvements, and okay, you got through the holidays, and now you take a look at your house and say,
I put the stripper on, I cover it up with plastic, tape it off and let it sit. And I come back about an hour later and I put more stripper on, and that will usually be able to get it all boiled off. You see how some spots it doesn't even touch it? So we'll just put some more on right now, all the way down. You know, it's about the same all the way down. But we'll put more stripper on it, and it'll boil it right off. And if we have to, we'll do it a third time, usually without the plastic though. But she's coming along, looks good. The owner saw it before I primed it. He said he liked it, so that's what's important. Okay, I'll bring you guys back when we have a little bit more progress. See you in a few. Well, there's been a change of plans. We decided to go ahead and make the tow rail blue. No, I'm just kidding. We went ahead and covered it up because they're going to start sanding this deck, the house, because they're painting top sides. So pretty soon it's going to be a friggin' look like a war zone in here. The dust, people in mass and shit and stuff. My bad. But yeah, she's coming along. We got the brow sealed up. I'm going to pull that tape off and tape it over, cover it up. This is going to be the next stage. We're going to coat all this bright work in here. It's pretty nice. This needs a little TLC. Hasn't had anything done to it in a while. We're going to put a 32-inch pop-up TV on a lift in this cabinet here. So we're going to just completely redo this thing. It'll be beautiful. I'll make a movie of it. We're going to get rid of this chart box. There's not too many people use those kind of charts anymore. And we're going to redo this helm a little bit. Different things. I'll keep you posted. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put out the video of this doing the stripping and stuff, because that's kind of educational. So yeah, I'll bring you back. See you in a few.